Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be making saltfish fritters. Hope you enjoy. First thing to do is add the saltfish into the bowl. Make sure you have boiled the saltfish thoroughly to avoid it being too salty. Add a pint of water into the mixture. The full list of ingredients is in the description below. Add half the flour into the mixture. Stir the mixture until all the flour has been blended. Then add the remaining flour into the mixture. Once the flour is fully blended, it's ready to cook. Once you've heated the pan, add olive oil into the frying pan on a high heat. Begin by adding the mixture into the frying pan with a tablespoon on medium heat. When the fritters have become golden brown around the edges, flip the fritters with a fork. Once the fritters have been thoroughly cooked, the best thing to do is get a plate and put kitchen paper on it so you can absorb the excess oil. When you've completed your first batch, carry out the same process again until all the mixture has been fried. Now the food is ready to enjoy. Let me know what you think of these fritters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you soon.